we pulled you out of school early today on this Monday. Hey everyone, we are at Universal Studios Hollywood for Super Nintendo Land. We were here last Sunday for a preview of the land. It was a little busy that day and didn't go as smoothly as planned for Universal. So they contacted us and invited us to come back again today on Monday, a week later, to do a secondary preview of Super Nintendo World so we can get a chance to go to the Toadstool Cafe. We're gonna go on the ride again, check that out again. It was a lot of fun. And we did buy power-up bands the last time we were here. So my girls are going to do some of that, interact with the land, follow us along. What is it, Gabby?
Look at the Universal! Yeah.
It looks like they're doing some refurb. They gotta refurb the globe. Even the globe needs to have a makeover sometimes. Look at this, the bag checks are pretty empty. Time to get our wristbands. Gabby, look at how clear it is today. Isn't that beautiful?
So beautiful.
Evelyn, here we are, Nintendo World.
Yay.
And we have our reservation for Toadstool Cafe. We're going to be eating at Toadstool Cafe 12:15. Just to let you guys know, when you do come to the park and you want to eat at Toadstool, you have to make a reservation. I will put a link below for the app that you would use to make that reservation. And here we go.
I have a power-up band.
Yay! Thank you.
Look at the picture.
Hooray!
Look at that one.
Show your wristbands. Show your bands.
Thank you. This is awesome!
It is.
Look at that! Oh my gosh, I can't believe how empty Super Nintendo World is. I feel like there's more employees here than visitors. We have the place pretty much to ourselves. Gabby, look at these girls over here in their outfits. They're like Princess Peach. It's a Luigi! Look at these Nintendo bathrooms. Let's check out the Nintendo bathrooms. We could do the Goomba. at Toadstool Cafe. Ooh, look at that cupcake. That looks delicious. Look at that. Ooh, a Luigi burger. There's a Mario burger. Fire flower spaghetti and meatballs, a salad. Oh, and what are you gonna order from Toad? You wanna get a burger? Oh, you want a cupcake for lunch?
And a princess. Look.
That's not lunch.
I want you to have that
Girls excited to eat, Gabby. What are you gonna order from the Toad?
I don't know.
What are you gonna order from Toad? Do you wanna do the kids meal?
Sure, I don't
Maybe we should ask Toad what we should order.
know.
What do you think? Oh, Toad left. Maybe he went to the pantry. Did he get a reload of ingredients?
No, we heard him.
Oh, here's a menu. Wait, here's a menu. Have some Toadstool garlic knots, a piranha plant caprese, some salads, Mario burger, a Luigi burger. Ooh, spaghetti meatballs. Those look good. Tasty desserts. Evelyn, I think you want, that's what you want right there, huh? You want the Princess Peach cupcake?
Gabby will get this one.
Yeah?
Can I see the menu?
Sure. Why don't we look at food first? What kind of food are we doing? Gonna get a burger? Or spaghetti?
Spaghetti.
We could do
That one.
the mini burger adventure set.
Ooh, mini baby.
What a cool restaurant. I love the layout. And this is the dining hall over here. Super fun. Awesome. Let's go, girls. Ooh, and a nice table.
Alrighty, just a reminder, let's just keep the tracker at the edge of the table so Chef Toad knows where to send the food out.
Got it. Thank you so much.
It's the color of blue.
I know.
Ooh, Gabby,
Excited for your burger?
I am. I'm Mario
You
burger.
Look at that.
money. Money.
Cool restaurant.
Wait.
You got a Super Nintendo cup over here, I see.
Oh yeah.
They even brand the paper.
Oh
It's Bowser's ship.
no! Oh yay!
That's so funny.
What happens when Bowser is there?
I think Bowser left.
Today too, so hopefully we'll still be able to give a run.
No,
and
we're
everything,
so grateful that it's empty today. It's
We are
been
too, trust me.
Yeah, so it's because it was busy when we were here Sunday. This is much better. Look at that. Yep. The fire. It's called a fire flower, right?
Firefly spaghetti meatball.
Ooh, look at
Parmesan
that.
cracker right on top.
Wow.
Yum.
It's also slightly spicy, so be careful with that.
Okay, cool.
Mario Adventure burger.
Is that a cookie?
Look at.
You get
It's the kids' burger. Look, it has Mario on it.
That's
Let's see.
so cool.
The cupcake.
The Mario mushroom burger. Oh, right here.
That's funny.
Cute.
There's
And
Dad's
then
Mario
There
burger.
it is.
The cupcake. The
It even has
cupcake.
a
Oh, that's all
mustache
you
on the
care
front.
about.
Cupcake.
All she cares about is the cupcake.
Princess Peach cupcake.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Proud of you.
That looks amazing.
Look at the mustache on the burger.
Let's
That's so funny.
So we actually have someone back there hand printing.
No way. Really?
No, I'm not kidding.
Oh my God.
It's a joke, it's not.
Can I video?
We actually have somebody back there. It's his entire shift is spent.
They're hand printing each burger.
Mustache maker.
Yeah, hey, come in at 4 a.m. You need to print our burgers.
So do you have to have a mustache to get hired for the job?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
It's a part of the
When I was
job.
being interviewed, they were like, you gotta work on that stash. So, yeah, he's got one. Enjoy my
Yum.
So
Looks tasty. I got my fire flower pasta. The girls have it's a kid's burger with little Mario on there.
Cupcake.
Yeah, this is we got the Princess Peach cupcake here.
There's a cookie on top and we ate
And then let's
Where's
see
the
what
cookie that goes on?
what's inside.
Wait, it's a cookie.
Oh, you already ate the
The
cookie?
kid,
What is this?
the kids meal comes with a cookie. It's a coin cookie.
Oh wait, what? Can we try it right now? Or no, this will be our dessert.
And then
Okay.
here's my Mario burger.
Look at Daddy's Mario burger. Look at that.
Look at the mustache.
Yeah, I am a
So
hat.
cool.
It looks delicious.
Can I dip some?
Yeah.
But try the French fries.
Family, I know it's the birthday.
I'm gonna try a fry
No, I
here.
won't put it there. But we all need to reach it for our whole family.
It's good. The fries have a seasoning on them. It's like a really good flavoring.
Ooh.
Mustache out right here.
Yeah.
Look. Look at
Is it good?
making video.
So good. Look at that.
Look at all that bacon in there. And all the mushrooms.
And look,
Try a French fry.
watch this.
Okay.
Hey.
You dip your
Good
fry.
price.
Do you like it? You like the French fries?
This is my hat now.
Yeah, there you go.
I think at Universal, I think they encourage you to play with your food.
Here.
I think Daddy's having too much fun with the food. All the fireworks. You're such a nerd. How's your burger, Evelyn? Is it good? That's a big bite you took. I haven't even dove into mine yet.
That is spicy.
Gabby just tried a bite of my fire flower pasta. It's got a spicy kick to it. It's good though, right?
Yes.
You just need to have water on standby.
Look at this is the Princess Peach cupcake, and let's try it. Yep. Oh,
Just straight for the frosting.
that's good.
Evelyn. Oh my
Oh my
gosh.
gosh.
Yeah, let's unwrap the side here. Oh, look at that.
Oh.
It's like birthday cake.
What?
That looks so good. Take a bite, Gabby.
Yeah.
Just get in there.
I told you it was more good. That's good. Eat a tiny piece. Ooh, what's this? Eat a tiny piece, Gabby, please. Stop it.
Okay, let Evelyn take a bite.
Evelyn, take a bite.
Is it bubble
Bite
gum?
of the cupcake.
Evelyn, get the cupcake.
Here. We kind of made a mess of this, but look at all that. I think it's a raspberry filling in the center.
Yeah,
my God.
we did make a mess out of
We
this.
kind of sabotaged it, but it's so good.
We're killing Princess Peach.
You have birthday cake, cupcake,
Look, it's right there.
raspberry filling, glitter frosting. Are you ready for Bowser's Challenge?
Yeah.
Let's do this. Let's go on Bowser's Challenge.
Watch this.
Are you ready, Evelyn? Thank you.
How long's the wait?
Doesn't look like a long wait to me.
Evelyn, it's so cool here. Last time we were here,
Ready for the ride?
shirt was glowing. I know.
Thank you.
Look at your shirt. Mom, my shirt's glowing.
Wow.
Evelyn, did you know? My sister. Evelyn, did you know this is glow in the dark pink? Evelyn, this is so pretty.
Wait a minute. There's no line?
Yeah.
But then where do we go?
This one. Don't worry. I'll lead you there. It's kind of creepy.
Oh man, when we were here last Sunday when we went on the ride, the line was backed up all the way over there.
We're gonna be there quickly. Evelyn. Oh, Evelyn.
castle.
So this is the area that you can see people from down below.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I thought you loved here.
Oh, here. Gabby. Here, take a picture in front of Bowser.
Let's do this.
There's Bowser's butt. Yeah, it's Bowser's butt. Oh my gosh, there's no line today. Oh, and Ramiro, I have a little fun fact.
Yeah.
So the Bowser portrait behind us, it has the signature of the guy that created Nintendo and created the Super Mario game. See, look. If you zoom in right there, you can see his autograph. Here's Princess Peach. I think this is Bowser's bunker. Oh yeah.
Look, we used the power band for that, I think. We can't use the power band.
There's the bombs. Oh my gosh, this ride is a walk-on. I can't believe it. We had it, no one in front of us at all. It's a straight walk-on. Hey. Here we go. Wait till he says go. Hold on.
Right, racers. Awesome.
Those are their racing suits.
Welcome on in, Team Mario Racers. Go ahead and focus your attention to the screens on the right. Referee lap is going to be going over how you'll be on your shells, how you'll be steering. To the next one, you're going to be grabbing
You
your
ready? Let's get your goggles.
All right. It's time for the headgear.
Yep. Thank you. Here you go, Ramiro. Oh, here. Let me tighten yours. Is that
I was
good?
lucky. Mine was a perfect fit.
Nice.
That's cool. It's got its little tighteners in the back. Click, click, click. Here we go.
Sure? So be with an adult. Ellen, you have to be with me because you're too short, okay? That's okay. Thank you.
All right.
Do you There are so few people here today that they actually let us stay on the ride, and we didn't have to unboard. We were able to go on the ride a second time by just staying on. It was so fun.
She said 4.
There's 2. 2 of you. 2 power up bands.
You can start it, Gabby.
I guess Gabby wants to start it. Great. Ah!
Dad!
Right.
Right here.
It's a workout.
Yeah, one more over here. 2 more, 2 more. Right there.
You're kind of seeing the light. That's a workout.
Good job.
All right, whenever you're ready.
Go. Go for it, girls.
That's one color.
You're almost out of time. You better hurry. Good job.
Good try.
Gabby, Evelyn, look. Even the signs for the slippery when wet.
Yeah, because the water. It's water.
That's what I call attention to detail. Slippery when wet. Don't slip on the banana peel.
You will slip on a banana.
I know, it's a wet spot. Yeah, let's go.
No, Gabby. Gabby.
Cool, thank you. What do you do on this one? Oh my gosh, look at that. It's Bowser Jr. as a baby. That's so funny. What?
Up ahead is your final showdown with Bowser Jr. When bob-ombs are tossed at you, use your arms to swat them away. Got it? Swat bob-ombs away. When bullet bills fly toward you, duck to dodge them. Don't forget, duck to dodge bullet bills. Jump to hit a question mark and get a power-up. When you get a fire flower, swing your arms to throw fireballs. Yes! Swing your arms to throw fireballs.
Oh, see, it's got our number, so we gotta work by ourselves.
Guys, so go ahead.
All right, Filler puppies. So you're gonna stand here.
Oh, that's funny, Gabby. It's your shadow. That's really cool. Let's see if it can capture my shadow. Oh, there I am. There's Mommy. so fun. Yeah, did you like that?
Yeah, it was so fun.
That was really cool. Go, Emma, go! It's like a celebrity. Yeah. What do you want to say to Princess Peach?
You look spectacular.
Evelyn, is she your favorite character? I think someone's starstruck right now. Evelyn, are you starstruck? Evelyn, did you have fun today?
Yeah. But
Thanks. We gotta thank Universal for having us back
This was
again today.
awesome.
Look at my dorky hat I got on here. Yes, that was really awesome. It was really nice of Universal to invite us back to come in and enjoy the park on a day that was much less busy.
Super empty. Everything
Yes.
we just walked on.
The crowd levels were just basically virtually no crowds at all. I think there was more employees than there were visitors. So we felt very grateful that we were able to come back and do everything we wanted to do. And we went on the ride twice without having to unboard. Had a great time. Thanks, guys. Say bye, Nintendo World. See you soon.